Every year your Google Workspace bill goes up, and every year you think about switching until one fear stops you cold. What if I lose years of email? So here's the truth nobody tells you. You can move your entire business to Zoho Workplace, every email, contact and calendar, and keep Google running the whole time. Nothing breaks until you decide to flip the switch. Let me show you exactly how, step by step. Quick context first, because Zoho Workplace might be completely new to you and you're thinking, the hell is this? It's basically a complete replacement for Google Workspace. Same jobs, but different house. Zoho Mail replaces Gmail, and Zoho WorkDrive replaces everything. Google Drive, Writer, Sheet, and Show. Also, you get a click that completely replaces Meeting. One suite, one login. Two reasons businesses make the jump. First, cost. Zoho is dramatically cheaper per user, and the gap grows as your team grows with this. Second, privacy. Zoho's mail is ad-free and doesn't scan your data, which for a lot of owners is the whole point. And here's the part that matters most for today. Zoho Workplace has a built-in migration tool that transfers your mail, contacts and calendar straight from Google Workspace. No third-party software, no paying a specialist if you don't want to. But before I walk you through these steps, if at any point this feels like more than you want to take on yourself, the link below books a free consultation and we'll handle the whole migration for you. Data intact, zero downtime. And now let's finally migrate. I'm going to break this into 6 clean steps. Do them in order and you won't lose a thing. Step 1. First you add and verify your domain in Zoho. The same domain you already use with Google. Using the same one is what makes the migration seamless. You'll prove you own it by adding one TXT record at your domain register. And that's it. Crucial point. Do not touch your MX records yet. Your email keeps flowing into Google exactly like normal. We're just opening the door at Zoho. Next, the one part that looks technical but isn't. In the Google Cloud Console, you create what's called a service account and download a small key file. This key is what lets Zoho securely pull everyone's data without needing each user's individual password. You create a project, make the service account, give it owner access, and download the key file. I will put the exact clicks on the screen, so pause here if you need to. Then search for the following API connections that I put on the screen and enable all of them. So here we're going to Security, Access API Controls. Then Manage Domain Wide Delegation, Add New. Then we're going back to Google Developers Console and copy Unique ID and paste it in Client ID field. Then we're opening Zoho's Help Authorization page and we're copying the following values and pasting them into API Scope field. Now the magic. In the Zoho Mail Admin Console, go to Data Migration, click Start Migration, and choose Google Workspace as your protocol. You enter your Google Super Admin email, the service account email, upload that key file, and finally hit Authenticate. And to start import, we will also need to provide the following information that you can see on the screen. Then you simply tick what you want to bring over, mail, contacts and calendar, and Zoho saves the connection. Step 4. Because you authenticated with a super admin account, Zoho can now see all your Google users. You import them directly from Google Workspace. Select the people you want and Zoho creates matching accounts for them. No retyping names and addresses one by one. One pro tip before the next step. If you use a lot of overlapping Gmail labels, trim them or use the exclude folder list. Gmail's label system can otherwise create duplicate copies and inflate your mailbox in Zoho. Step 5. Start it. And here is the line I want you to remember. Your emails copy over, while Google Workspace stays fully active. Your team keeps sending and receiving the entire time. How long does it take? Depends on how many users and how much data you have. Could be minutes, could be hours for big mailboxes, but nobody's blocked while it runs. And this is the answer to the fear of a lot of owners. Nothing stops. Your works continue. Step 6. Only once everything's safely copied, you do the final step, update your MX records to point to Zoho and verify your SPF, DKIM and DMARC records. By the way, a video about them you can watch here. So your mail does not land in spam. Give it around 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate, and here is a safety net the pros use. Keep your Google Workspace account active for a short after the backup. If a stray email landed in Google during the switchover, you rerun the migration once to catch it. Then and only then you can cancel Google. That's the whole migration. Verify, authenticate, import, copy and then finally switch. Your data was never at risk because Google stayed live until the very last step. Conclusion. So let's be honest about what this actually is. The migration isn't the scary part, the fear was the scary part. The tool does the heavy lifting. Google never goes dark and you control the one moment that matters when you flip the MX records. What you get on the other side is a suite that does everything Google did. Mail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Chat and video, usually for a fraction of the cost, with no ads mining your business, and every email, contact and calendar event comes with you. Now, every setup has its quirks. Your DNS host, your mailbox sizes, the number of users. If you would rather not touch any of it, that's what we are here for. Book the free consultation in the description and we will run the entire migration for you. Data intact, zero downtime, and remember, your email is more portable than you think. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.